Your question is, reduce the following equations into normal form and find their intercepts on the axis. Now understand this. What he told, intercepts on axis, that means plural, x and y. So we have a formula. What is that? That is your x by a plus y by b, that is equal to 1 now. So we have to write all this in this form. So how we will write? Just you can see here. First is 3x plus 2y is minus 12 is equal to 0. That means just bring this 12 to this side. You will get 3x plus 2y is equal to 12 now. Now, bring this 12 down here. So what you will get? You will get 3x by 12 plus 2y by 12. That is equal to 1 now. Now cut them. You will get x 3 and this is 4. So x by 4 plus, now cut this 1 and 6. So y by 6. That is equal to 1 now. Same form it came. So now we can say x intercept is 4 and y intercept is 6. Now next, 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. Now just bring 6 to down. So what happened? It will come as 4x by 6 minus 3y by 6. That is equal to 1 now. Cut them. You will get 2 here and 3 here. And this is 1 and this is 2. Now here it comes as 2x by 3 minus y by 2, that is equal to 1. Now compare our formula. Here alone x is there. There is no coefficient, nothing is there. So how we will write 2 by 3? We can write it as x by 3 by 2. If you cross multiply it, outer to outer, inner to inner, it will come as 2 will come with x. Same. So it will be like this. Minus y by 2, that is equal to 1 now. Now we can say x intercept is 3 by 2 and y intercept is minus 2. Minus 2, y means here it is plus. So it will come as minus 2. Is minus 2. Now next, see this. 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here x is not there. So just we will write it as 0x. And bring this 2 to this side. You will get 0x plus 3y is equal to minus 2. Now bring this minus 2 to down. What happened? It will come as 0x by minus 2 plus 3y by minus 2, that is equal to 1 now. Now, the same thing what we have done here, we will do here also. So, but 0x, that means x intercept is not there. So, we can simply write that x intercept is not there. That is your 0. Not there. We can say not there or 0. ठीक है? Now, here just see this one only. तो ये देखो आपका क्या आएगा, y by -2/3 that is equal to 1 now. That means y intercept is -2/3. Y intercept is -2/3. And here we have written x intercept is 0. But if you bring these two down, it will come as 0. That means it will come like this. X by -2/0. That means it cannot be defined. So we can say not 0, it's not defined. ठीक है.